If you're not creating AI-powered short videos in 2025 and not using tools for automating faceless shorts with AI or improving your video editing, then you're definitely missing out. Short-form content is dominating every platform right now. YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Reels, and the creators who are winning are those who move fast, create daily, and stay ahead with the latest AI tools. One of the most powerful tools just got even better. Submagic, the go-to platform for editing short videos with AI, has just launched a powerful new feature, the Submagic API. This API allows you to automate your entire video editing workflow without any manual input. Just a few days ago, creating a video with Submagic meant uploading your footage and waiting while the platform generated accurate subtitles. You would then customize the captions, adjusting styles, colors, and sizes, and manually add transitions and visual effects. But now, everything has changed with the Submagic API. All you need to do is run a simple code that includes the title, language, video URL, and template name. From there, you don't have to lift a finger. The video is processed automatically and uploaded to Google Drive, ready for publishing. This code can even be used to create up to 100 videos per day. And the best part? It integrates seamlessly with tools like N8N, Zapier, Make, and more. Imagine this. You drop 100 raw video clips into a Google Drive folder, and without touching anything, Submagic automatically adds viral captions, B-roll, zoom effects, and exports the final video, ready to post every day. No editors, no manual work, just an AI agent doing the job for you. Or maybe you don't want to record yourself, no problem. You can connect AI avatar tools like HeyGen, generate the videos automatically, send them to Submagic, and get finished high-quality shorts in minutes, all without being on camera. This is what the Submagic API makes possible, and it's built for scale. Trusted by over 3 million creators and agencies around the world, rated 4.9 stars globally, and ready for your next big automation. Whether you're a solo creator, a marketer, or an agency working with multiple clients, this is your chance to start building fully automated workflows for content creation.
What if you could create content at scale without even being in front of your computer? Over the past 2 years, Submagic has become the best tool on the market to create captivating short-form content used by over 3 million people all over the world. And we believe that the future of video editing will be fully automated, powered by AI agents. And so that's why we are launching today the Submagic API. So let's say you need to create 100 videos a day, but you just don't have the time to spend hours editing them manually. Thanks to the API, you will be able to drop those videos in a Google Drive, and they will be automatically sent to your Submagic account to be fully edited with subtitles, B-rolls, transition, zoom effects, hook titles, and your own music. Or let's imagine you don't want to record yourself and you want to use an AI avatar using Agent. From Agent, it will be automatically sent to your Submagic account, fully edited again, and directly sent to a Google Drive, ready to be published everywhere. So these two workflows I just showed you are now possible using Submagic API. But this is more than just an API. It's your own AI agents for video editing. Connect it with Zapier, N8N, Make, or any tool and unlock unlimited possibilities. Build your first automated workflow today on submagic.co.
Submagic offers 3 different plans, depending on what you need. The first plan is great if you're just getting started. It gives you a limited number of videos per month and essential features like auto subtitles and basic text editing. The second plan steps things up with more videos, access to premium templates, visual effects, and advanced caption styles. The third plan is made for serious creators and agencies. It includes everything from the previous plans, plus the new Submagic API, which lets you automate your entire video workflow and connect with tools like Zapier, N8N, or Make. This tool has everything you need to create powerful, short videos. Check the first comment and the video description for the link. And don't forget, you can get a discount with the promo code MINATO10 when signing up. Click Apply, and you'll get 10% off any plan you choose. Submagic lets you create faceless shorts with AI faster than ever. And yes, up to 100 per day. Go to submagic.co, get your API key, and start creating at scale automatically.